everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be covering this tool called the symbol sprayer tool. Now the symbol sprayer tool comes in handy if you have multiple small symbols spread right across your artboard, and you can practically use the symbol sprayer tool in any type of illustration that you're making. Right? It could be a design for your mobile cover or even a poster that you're designing, right? So for this video, I have chosen this A4 size document and I've given a name to my document as well called symbol sprayer tool. Okay, so just in case if you guys are not able to see all these tools right here on your screen, make sure that the essential classics options has been switched on from this drop down box below. Alright. So now the symbols option is right here on your screen. So just in case if you are not able to see the symbols panel, we go to window and come right down here to the symbols panel and make sure that this symbols panel has been switched on, right? So we already have some preloaded symbols right here. You can choose any of these or we can choose some more if we just click on this symbols library menu. As you can see, there are a lot to choose from. Right, so let's see some floral designs. So as you can see, I'll make this a little bigger. You can see we have some floral designs. I'll choose this hibiscus one. And now you can see that the hibiscus symbol comes right here. So we'll click on that and choose our symbol sprayer tool, which is right below the eyedropper tool. The shortcut key for the symbol sprayer tool is Shift plus S. We click on that and we just spray it around like that. So I delete that. Why? Because my mouse is pretty big and we can reduce the size by clicking on the left bracket on your keyboard. So let's reduce the size. I'll close this as well and just spray it across like that. Right. So now if I come to the symbol shifter tool right here, it actually evenly distributes your design or your symbols right here. So you can see it's happening slightly like that. And now you can see all the hibiscus much better like that. Right, now we come to the third one, the symbol scruncher tool. It does the exact opposite of the symbol shifter tool, right? So it brings your symbols a lot closer if you see carefully like that. Right, now we come to the symbol sizer tool. So what this tool does is that you can resize a particular shape like that. Now in case if I want to make it much more smaller, I'll have to click on Alt and resize it. Right, I'll make my cursor smaller and click on Alt to make it small like that. So move your mouse over to one more symbol and let's make it smaller. Let's make some of our symbols more smaller like that. You can make it slightly bigger as well. like that. And now I'll also come to the symbol screener tool, which actually helps you to decrease the opacity of your icon slide here, like that. And now if I come back to my symbol sprayer tool, and if I double click on this, we can also change the way we spray our symbols right here. Right, so it's more uniform when we first sprayed it. Let's also change these to user defined. Right, spin like that. Okay, now if I spray it, you can see it changes like that. And now coming back to the last one, the symbol spinner tool, what it does is that it will help you to spin your symbols into visually in any direction you want, like that. And there you go. So now let's proceed to save our document. To do that, we'll go to File, click on Save As. So by default, my document will be saved as an Adobe Illustrator file. I highly recommend that we first save our file in this format so that in case if I have to make any changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. And we click on Save. So now that we've come to the end of our document, now that we have come to the end of our video, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice, you will soon become a master in the symbol sprayer tool. Thank you for watching and keep practicing.